Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious omelet, step by step. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 or 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, and any fillings you desire, like cheese or vegetables. Next, gently whisk the eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper until they are just combined, but not frothy. Remember to chop your chosen fillings into small, manageable pieces so they cook evenly and integrate well into your omelet. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get cooking. Heat a non-stick pan, ideally about 8 inches in diameter, over a steady medium-low heat. This temperature is crucial for a tender omelet. Add 1 full tablespoon of butter to the pan, swirling it around until it melts and evenly coats the entire surface. Once the butter is foamy and hot, pour your whisked egg mixture directly into the center of the pan. Let it sit undisturbed for approximately 30 seconds to begin setting. As the edges of your omelet begin to set and the center remains slightly moist, it is time to add your delicious fillings. Carefully place your pre-chopped ingredients onto one half of the omelet, leaving the other half clear. This strategic placement makes the next step much easier. Using a flexible spatula, gently lift the empty half of the omelet and fold it neatly over the filled half. This creates that classic, beautiful omelet shape we all love. To finish, continue cooking your folded omelet for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, or until the eggs are fully set to your liking. The key is to ensure it is cooked through, but still wonderfully tender. Once done, carefully slide your perfectly cooked omelet directly onto a warm plate. For an extra touch of freshness and flavor, consider garnishing it with some finely chopped fresh herbs, such as chives or parsley. Enjoy your homemade, fluffy omelet immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.